Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rank higher in Upwork searches. So first of all, you have to open your Upwork account. You can see that this is my Upwork account. So first option is this profile completeness. Make sure it's 100%. If it's not, just make it to the 100%. Complete your profile and then tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Go for settings. And from here, you can see various options. On the left side, tap on this profile setting, and now the very first option is visibility. So you have to make sure that this is on public. Make sure your profile is public, and then you will see this project reference. So if you tap on this, you will see three options: long-term projects, short-term projects, and both long-term and short-term projects. So make sure you selected this, both long-term and short-term, and then this experience level, entry level, intermediate, and expert. So just make sure you always select this expert level because it's good for your profile. And then you will see this option, categories. So you can select up to 15 categories. So just search for categories according to your niche and then just select the 15 categories. It will help you to grow your profile. And then this specialized profile. If you make your specialized profile, it will be good for bidding. So make sure you make the specialized profile in Upwork. And then the last option is linked accounts. So you have to make sure that you linked all the accounts that Upwork need, like Twitter, GitHub, Stack Overflow, Dribble, and this Drive-N-Art. So just make sure to link all the accounts, and after doing all these settings, this will help you to rank higher in searches. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. So don't forget to check our recommended resources links below in the description, and if you like the video, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.